Hey, what's going on guys? Brendan here at DetailKing.com, and today I'm here to show you the MetroVac 6-inch turbine-driven rotating brush. The MetroVac turbine-driven brush is a 6-inch brush attachment for your vacuum that not only has a rotating brush, but an internal turbine that provides additional suction power, allowing you to remove dirt and contaminants with each pass. To use the MetroVac turbine brush, simply attach your vacuum hose and get to work. The rotating bristles of the brush will agitate and loosen dirt and debris, and the internal turbine will pull it all away. The MetroVac turbine brush is perfect for removing pet hair and other stubborn messes that the interior of your vehicle may have. Alright guys, that about wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. For more information on the MetroVac 6-inch turbine-driven rotating brush or any of our other auto detailing products, visit us right here at DetailKing.com. We have everything you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. And be sure to click the subscribe button below to be notified when we post more videos just like this one, and let us know in the comments what videos you want to see next. I'll see you guys next time.